Today, I'm going to tell you why personalized house tour in the North Carolina Triangle is a must-have experience, especially if you're coming from out of town. Hi, I'm here on behalf of Rich Cook with North Group Real Estate. Before we begin, if you have not done so already, reach out to Rich and let him know the dates, times, and your expectations of the tour. If you feel overwhelmed by a long-distance move to the NC Triangle area, Rich understands those emotions. With a personalized tour, you don't have to worry about navigating through the triangle or figuring out which neighborhoods are worth your time. Rich will do all the heavy lifting for you and tailor the tour itinerary to your specific needs and preferences. This is all about you. Let's talk about options. Whether it's one of the Triangle's cities with nightlife entertainment, a quiet house in the country, or a large parcel of land, Rich will take the time to find the right property for you. Next up, local expertise. The tour will provide the local inside scoop on property values, future developments, economic growth, housing associations, local attractions, etc. It's like having a friend who knows all the secrets of the neighborhood. Then there's the personalized experience. Unlike virtual tours or open houses, a personalized tour means you get one-on-one attention. You will literally be following Rich in your car while he navigates the area from his. Important note: we are not in a hurry, we just need to move with purpose. From experience, this is the best travel approach, so stock up on provisions and be ready for a full day. You can ask all your burning questions, take your time exploring each property, and even revisit your favorites without feeling rushed. If you find value in this video, consider hitting the like button and subscribe for future NC Triangle insights. And let's not forget peace of mind. For out-of-towners, the house hunting process can be a bear. You're making a huge investment in an unfamiliar place. Rich's goal is to ease some of that stress by providing a curated experience tailored to your needs. You can feel confident that you're making an informed decision. So plan ahead and book your tour to the North Carolina Triangle area with Rich. In his experience, you'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching this NC Triangle tour guide. Best to you and yours.